It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. So that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You do.
Hey guys, it's Morgan here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing a Amazon wig. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on that little post notification bell so you don't miss any more of my lit upcoming videos. So this hair, I ordered it from Amazon. It's from the company, I want to say like Jita or something like that. The hair, it is 16 inches and it is 150 density. So as you guys can tell, there is a little bit of shedding. This may be because I did try to pluck it a little bit just to thin out the edges, but yeah, there was some shedding. And the hair does look a little bit thinner than how it looks on the picture. But outside of that, it feels really soft. It's super flowy. And yeah, I think it's really cute hair, especially for the price. I only paid like $103 for it. So considering that it was, you know, that affordable, I guess I can't complain too much. So right now I am just going in and I am just flat ironing it. I have worn this hair actually curly, but I decided to straighten it because I don't know, I just wanted to see what it would look like straight pretty much, because I already saw what it looked like curly, but I wanted to see if it could pass the test of, you know, looking cute and silky straight. But as you guys can see, I'm just going over, just straightening it. I believe I have my flat iron on the highest setting. I think I have it on like 400 and something degrees, mostly just because I didn't feel like having to go over each piece a bunch of times. So I just cranked the heat up and called it a day. But yeah, the hair is super nice. I feel like it's straightening pretty well. It is Brazilian hair also, by the way. But yeah, here I am. I'm just pretty much flat ironing each section. I really didn't do super small sections because I just didn't care if it wasn't like super silky bone straight. I just wanted it to be straight. I just kind of wanted a different look, try to test it out and whatnot. So yep, here I am just going in. I am using the chasing method just because, I don't know, that's usually how I straighten my natural hair. And I just feel like that's usually like the best way to straighten hair in general. So yeah, here I am just doing that. So I'm pretty much done straightening this side of my head. I like how it turned out, so I'm just gonna go in and pretty much start doing the other side. Yeah, I'm just taking my time with doing it, but also trying to do it pretty efficiently because I do not want to be straightening this hair all day. So yeah, here I am just going in straightening the other side. I really like how this hair turned out straight. The main thing that I like is I like the movement. It's not stiff at all, so I really enjoy that. And then also I just like how it still kind of resembles like if my natural hair were straight, because like my natural hair doesn't really get bone straight. So I like how this hair also wasn't looking like super straight and stuff, because I feel like it just resembles my natural hair pattern more. And I also like the length of it. Like I said, this is the 16 inches. So I do like the fact that it's not overly long. I just feel like this hair looks pretty realistic, truthfully. But yeah, I decided to do my edges off camera. It was just too hard to try to show exactly how I was doing them like in the camera, especially since I was like kind of trying to focus and make sure that they look decent and make sure that the lace was hidden pretty well. But I'm not the best at installing lace fronts, to be honest. It's literally been years since I installed a lace front. I just got this wig like not too long ago, and this is like my second time doing it, so bear with me. I know that it's not melted that well, but y'all know I don't really do the lace fronts like that. So honestly, I think I did okay, considering that I don't really be straightening, or I don't really be wearing lace fronts like that. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just trying to fix the part, fix the edges, make it look a little bit flatter and smooth. If you want to make it look super smooth, like especially the middle part, I highly recommend using like a foaming mousse. The mousse that I'm using, it's by Motions. I think I got it from Walmart. I don't even think it was more than like $4, but yeah, definitely use like a foaming mousse so that you can get it nice and flat. I wish I would have plucked the part a little bit, but I really didn't want to do too much customization to this wig because honestly, I'm not feeling too confident in my skills of being able to customize a wig, and yeah. But I did do a little bit of plucking for the hairline, so keep that in mind. If you buy it, the hairline will be a little bit thicker than how mine looks. So I'm just using my wand to really flatten out the part. I don't like how it looks a little like, I don't know, I feel like the part looks a little greasy, but I think that might just be from the last time I wore it, so I'm not worried too much about that. But yeah, I feel like it turned out pretty decent. Like honestly, like I'm kind of impressed by this hair. You see like the movement, it's flowy, it's bouncy, like definitely I'm liking it. And I did decide to just tuck the other side behind my ear, especially because this side, I feel like it looked really nice. Like, I feel like that side looked more melted than the other side. So I decided to tuck it behind my ear just to give it even more of that like natural appearance. But yeah, honestly, this wig, I'm going to have to probably give this like I'm going to say an 8.5 out of 10. I didn't like how I had to, you know, pluck the edges, but outside of that, I feel like it looks pretty nice. Like the movement is straightened pretty easily, nice, flowy and bouncy. The hair doesn't itch, it doesn't have a smell. So yeah, I kind of like it. At first, I wasn't really rocking with it, but yeah, I think it's definitely grown on me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. It's day 6 of Vlogmas. More lit content coming soon. Thank you so much. Bye.